I will be doing the caprese salad, using all the local ingredients. I start off with balsamic vinegar. To that, I'm going to add Dijon mustard, a little bit of honey just to sweeten it up a bit. And then our black garlic, which we make in-house. I'm not going to give you my secret. It takes about a week to do. And then the oil that I'm using for the vinaigrette is from Highwood Crossings. It's their cold-pressed canola oil. We'll slowly add the oil to the dressing to emulsify it. And that's it. Now I have our black garlic vinaigrette that we're going to use for the salad. And like I said before, we have local tomatoes. They're from Gull Valley. So I just need to slice a few tomatoes. This salad is really easy. You can do it at home for sure. Gull Valley has a stand at the Calgary Farmers Market. I'm just using all different types of their tomatoes. They're heirloom tomatoes and they're fine tomatoes. And the Fior di Latte, which is fresh mozzarella that I'm using, is from White Gold Cheese Factory here in Calgary. The basil that I'm going to be garnishing it with is from Gull Valley as well. It's their lemon basil. I'm just going to plate the salad. So a little bit of the black garlic vinaigrette on the bottom. Some of our beautiful tomatoes. The Fior di Latte. Use a little fleur de sel to season it up, and a little fresh pepper. And then just some of our fresh basil. Really simple, all local ingredients. That's it. Our caprese salad. This will be featured on our menu on June 11th for the Taste Alberta.